back. In today's video, I am here doing kind of like a first impressions on a bunch of this hard candy makeup. They sent me a bunch of their products to test out for you guys, so I'm really excited. Here I have some setting sprays. I have a foundation that I'm super excited for. I also have some color correctors as well as this. This is the glitter primer, which I'm really excited for as well. I have a lip product, and I'm just really excited to be testing all these products out for you guys. And also, before I go, I'm thinking about doing mukbangs, not sure how you say it. Just like here and there, things that I eat. I absolutely love watching mukbangs, so if you guys want to see me do one, let me know down below. I'm really excited. Also, I'm going to Disney in March very soon. So if you guys also want to see another Disney vlog with my boyfriend, let me know down below as well. We're thinking about making our own channel here on YouTube, so if you guys want to see that and you're interested, and if you guys would definitely follow that channel, let me know also down below. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. By the way, how cute is this sweatshirt? It's like cropped, and it has these cute like little things on it. You can see through your arm. I think it's so cute. I got it from Target. I'll leave everything down below if you're interested. Okay, so I'm really excited to be testing out this makeup. They sent this to me a while back, but I haven't got time to really test any of these products out. I didn't want to use any of them yet until I did a video for you guys, of course, because I went to like a first impressions kind of chit chat, chill video, so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, they didn't send me any eyeshadows or anything, but they did send me a few of like liners and colored liners. I got this really pretty glitter one, and I have this red eyeliner and this really cool maroon purple eyeliner, which I'm super excited to test out. And I have a smudge eyeliner, so I want to test some of them out. So I'm going to zoom you in, and I'm going to get started. So this right here retails for $5. This is the Hard Candy Poppin' Pigments Glitter Stay. It says a glitter primer. It keeps your glitter sparkling with minimal fallout and long wear with glitter stay. This formula glides on easily and helps hold your glitter in place for transfer-proof, crease-proof, brush-proof application. Your glitter will look flawless. Evenly distribute onto the eyebrow, eyelid, or the lip. So we're going to go ahead and use this for our eyelid. So I'm just going to be taking this right here. It's just a squeezy tube, which is really nice. And I'm just going to take it on a brush, actually. So I wanted to try this with like a real glitter. The Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. It's Cosmo. It's a full-on glitter, and I really want to try it to see if this really does the job. So I'm just taking my brush and taking that color. Oh, wow. Really nice. And the thing I really like about this, because a lot of glitter primers, once you apply them and try to blend out with another eyeshadow, it gets very patchy. But this did not. It kept on all my shadows without making them look patchy or creasy, and it looks really good. I like this a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Hard Candy. They're all Hard Candy, but I always say that. So now I'm taking their Walk the Line liquid liner. This one is in the shade Eggplant. It's a really nice maroon purple shade. And it says the liquid liner, ultra fine brush, precision application, quick dry, and long wearing. So I'm really excited for that. So let's go ahead and do a wing. Okay, so I have a few thoughts on this product. So I love the color, and to get that wing, it was really easy. The only thing is, you do have to build this up to not get it to look streaky. Like as you see right here, it looks a little bit streaky because it is very liquidy. I think you have to kind of shake it first and then maybe wait for it to dry and then apply another coat, because that actually worked really well. That actually looks really nice. I think you have to do the first coat, wait for it to dry, and then go ahead and use the second coat, because now it doesn't look patchy. It looks very even. It's not cracky at all. and the brush is really, really nice. Except occasionally the brush will kind of spurt out a little bit. You have to put it back together. But other than that, I think for the price, this is pretty good. It is very liquidy, so I do suggest doing another coat after the first coat dries if you don't want it to be splotchy and you want it to be very pigmented. Okay, so that is both sides. I love this color. I've never seen an eyeliner this color. It's still purple, but it's like a dark maroon purple. And I love the color. Again, not a big fan of the formula, but I love the color and the applicator. And with 2 coats, it looks really nice. And it's easy to get in my inner corners. So far, so good. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're going to go ahead and do the face. So they sent me 2 setting sprays I have right here. I've actually been using this one because I ran out of my other one that I used to use, and I'm really liking it. So I have 2 right here. This is the Hard Candy Glow Sheer and the Illuminating Setting Spray, Radiance Pearls and Coconut Oil. It's 12-hour long wear and hydrating. And then this one is the Longer Sheer and the Long Setting Spray plus Fade Resistant Humidity Protection 12-hour long wear hydration. So the only thing is this one is a glow one, and I guess this one is just like a normal one. As you guys know, I really, really love my hydrating sprays, so I'm going to be using this today, and maybe I'll use this when I'm done my foundation. So we'll see. So this is what it says about this one. It's the Luminous Setting Spray. It's a luminous setting spray that weightlessly enhances skin radiance and luminosity and helps lock in makeup for all-day wear. Formula contains coconut oil and pearl that helps give a dewy, luminous looking appearance. Hydrates upon application, will give up the 12-hour wear. Spray over foundation, eyeshadow, blush, and concealer to set your makeup look. Actually, I'm going to go ahead before I apply that. I'm going to go ahead and apply this color corrector that they sent me. Okay, so this right here is the Hard Candy Color Correcting Radium Primer. It corrects intense redness for all skin tones. It says, this Hard Candy Color Corrector Primers are the first step in neutralizing your skin concerns. Formulated with the hydrating formula that blends into skin, these primers provide you with a natural, smooth base to begin your makeup routine. This green color corrector brings radiance to your face, helps hold makeup on your skin, and is your first step in camouflaging skin radiance, skin's redness due to sunburn, rosacea, uneven skin tone, and acne. To apply after cleansing and moisturizing your face, apply a Hard Candy Color Correcting Primer to the skin. Rub the primer into your skin until it's absorbed. Once the primer is dry, continue with your normal makeup routine. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. Okay, as you see, I have redness just a little bit on my cheeks, not too bad. So I'm just going to be taking that. It's very thick, very green. Is it just me, or did that actually work? I feel like that really worked, like a lot. Go ahead and apply the setting spray now. So again, this is what it looks like, the sheer and the illuminating setting spray. Okay, that applies so much better when it's up like this as opposed to here. I definitely got it all over my skin when I applied it like this, but applying it back here, it doesn't get on your skin at all. I was just spraying it right here, and that was actually really nice. Okay, so this foundation right here retails for $7, and this is the Camouflage Invisible Camouflage Foundation. Mine's in the shade Ivory. It says it's a transforming liquid to powder foundation that absorbs oil, camouflage imperfections, and delivers a long-lasting velvet finish. This skin perfecting fluid contains superfine pigments for seamless, full coverage, weightless looking without looking caked on. I thought it said with looking caked up, and I was like, but it says without looking caked on. Infused with Colin clay for exceptional wear and oil absorption. Skin retains natural moisture for 12 hours of flawless perfection and transform resistant. And look at that. That looks so nice now that that setting spray set in. Really nice. I really like that. Like for everyday look without applying any foundation, I think that looks really nice. Okay, so this has a pump. It has a pump, and a lot of high-end products do not have pumps, and they're like $50, and this is only $7, and it has a pump. That's just already amazing in my book. I'm going to be applying it with my damp Real Technique sponge. Maybe a little bit light for me, for sure, but we're bronze, we'll bronze. look cakey on my skin at all. They're not paying me to do this video at all, but I really like how, if it was my shade, I think I would really like it. But it looks very dewy. I think it's because my setting spray underneath, which I'm loving this setting spray right now, because without it, I don't think I would look as dewy as I do because it does absorb the oils, this foundation, so it's supposed to be matte. And I really, really like that. It doesn't look cakey. It looks really nice on my skin and natural. You guys probably think, what, it looks natural? It's not my shade, so it looks a little bit crazy, but I think it looks really, really good. It's really nice. I would say this is like a light to medium coverage. I'm pretty sure if you build it up, it would be full coverage like any other foundation. So far, so good. I'm really liking that. It looks really natural and nice on my skin. Doesn't enhance any texture, any fine lines, any of my dryness. It looks really, really nice. It does feel a little bit dry on my skin. That's because I am dry, so keep that in mind as well. I feel like if you are oily, you would really, really like this foundation. I'm not sure for dry skin, but I feel like for oily skin, you would really, really like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face because they didn't send me any other products to go with the face. So I'm going to go ahead and do my bronzer, do my concealer, and then I'll be right back to finish up the eyes. I am back. I went ahead and finished my full face of makeup. I still do look a little bit pale, but hopefully it looks good when I edit this. But everything went on really, really nicely over top of the foundation. The foundation still looks really, really good actually. It looks very full coverage once I applied my concealer and everything else to it. So now I'm going to go ahead and set it using that same glow spray. I want to see if it makes me look a little bit more glowy and not as matte. So let's see. It feels so good. And then I usually take my sponge and just dab all that out. I love this foundation for sure. I think that looks so good. Wow. I'll show you close up. Okay, so now I'm going to get started and finish the eyes. Okay, so I went ahead and smoked out my bottom lash line. We're just going to be using some of their other products they sent me. By the way, I forgot to use the blur stick they sent me, which I'm so sorry. This is the Hard Candy Sheer and the Stick to It Pores blurring stick. I'll try this out in another video of mine. I'm so sorry, I forgot. I really want to try the red eyeliner, but I'm like nervous how it will look. I've never heard of a red eyeliner before. This is their Soft Glide Long Wear Eyeliner High Intensity Bright. This one is in the shade Firecracker, and it's a red eyeliner. And let's just try it out. I'm really nervous because I've never tried a red eyeliner. I don't know if it will look like I have like pink eye or something, but we're going to try it. I used it as a lip liner before, and I really liked it. But we're going to try it as an eyeliner, I guess. So, yeah. I actually really love that. Like, it kind of blends it in with the bottom of my eyeshadow. I love this, and it glides on really, really nicely. Wow, I love that. I didn't think I would like that. Like, I really, really love that a lot. And it's really nice and pointy, so it gets right up in there. I really love that. I'm also going to be taking the Hard Candy Walk the Line Liquid Eyeliner. It looks like this. It's super glittery, super pretty. And I'm going to be applying that in my inner corner just because. Let's just try all their products. Look at that. That is so, so pretty, so pigmented. I really love that. Really love that. And this right here retails for $6. And this right here retails for $5, the red eyeliner. And I really, really love this. So I'm going to apply mascara and then we'll finish off the lips. Okay, so for the lips, I have this color and then this color that they sent me. So this right here is the Hard Candy Lip Art, I can't really read the Artiste Lip Contouring Wand used with any plump to berry lip color. And then also comes with another side, the highlight middle of the lips color, which is like a, so first you have a lip liner, it's like maroon, and then you have the like highlight glittery kind of lip gloss side. I think I'm just going to take the lip liner to apply all over my lips because I don't have another color that goes with it. So yeah, let's try it. It's a really pretty color. Ooh, that glides on so nicely and it matches so nice with the eyeliner. I love that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try the other side, even though I really like this. How it looks by itself. And it just says apply in like the middle. It's like a purpley. I love that. This is probably my favorite product out of all of them. I love that. It probably doesn't match, but I love this lip a lot. I think you need to get this. I absolutely love it. I think I've never liked a lip color more than this, and I'm not a lip person. Like, I don't really use lipsticks a lot. I'm not a big fan. But I love this. My lips feel so hydrating. They look nice and plumped. It's so easy to overline your lips. And I love this. I absolutely love it. I will get this in every single shade. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay guys, so that is it using all the hard candy makeup that they sent me. And on my first impressions, I really love everything that I used. I absolutely adore, like I'm obsessed actually with this lip product right here, this duo one. I love it. Like, it's so amazing. And yes, that is it for this video using all hard candy makeup, my first impressions. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Once again, I did not get paid to do this video, so all of these are my honest opinions. And yeah, I'm loving everything so far. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know any of the videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!